Hi guys, we're just getting a grab to go to the meetup point in Old Quarter, and then our sleeper bus is gonna take us to Bang, and then after Bang we will be going to Bangiocwaterfall Waterfall. Hey, so we arrived at the bus stand and there was someone here to pick us up from our tour service, I'm guessing. Yeah, now he's taking us to our bus. You guys, this is so cool. I've never seen anything like this before. I feel really noobish, but check this out. They give you blankies, pillows, and you can pick either the bottom bunk and there's extra blankets over there, or the top bunk. This is my one, and at the back, if you're a group, that'll be really comfortable. You have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these next to each other. Yeah, how cool is that? Alright guys, so we arrived at the bus station, and what we did was we went online and we booked our tickets through a tour service, and what they did was they booked everything for us. They even paid for our grab ride from their office to the bus stand. So yeah, if you have not traveled to Vietnam and if you're not sure about booking your own bus tickets when you get here, and considering that language is a barrier, maybe booking a bus through a tour company online would be better for you, because everything is just done. They just escort you right to the bus. If you do it yourself, it will be way cheaper, I feel. And yeah, so total cost for this was about $25. Alright guys, we've had dinner, we've got our refreshments, so now we're gonna get in and get comfortable because the bus is gonna leave in about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go. Don't forget to take your shoes off. So far it's just us, and maybe I guess we'll be doing some pickups along the way as well. This is a really great setup, except if you have really long feet like Shan. So our journey began at about 8 p.m. but around 4 a.m. we were woken up and shifted onto this bus. As you can see, I was not very happy with it. Shan didn't really care. But the thing that we appreciated the most was the fact that we didn't have to handle any money at all. The bus drivers just keep passing the money on to each other and you like precious cargo. So it's totally safe, especially since we were so sleepy in the mornings, we didn't know what we were doing. And finally, we were transferred onto our third and last bus. This one took us right to the bus stop, which is opposite the waterfall. Okay guys, so after about 12 hours and a lot of doubt and questioning whether we would actually make it here, we have. I think the waterfall is just there. We're gonna refuel and then we're gonna go look for a room. There should be, Shahan said he saw something nearby, so we're gonna go explore that. We're gonna get a nice room, drop our bags and go straight to the waterfall. Quick update, we've decided to stay at the lodge that we first came to and had breakfast at, just because it's right opposite the waterfall, super easy, and they have really nice rooms. The only thing is it's about $50, which is quite expensive for Vietnam. Yes, so the name of this hotel, I will leave it in the link below. I would say basic, but more amenities than a hostel. They have Wi-Fi, decent Wi-Fi, and it's quite beautiful as well. We have rested and changed, and now we've ordered some lunch. We're gonna eat up and then head to the waterfall in time for sunset. And it is a lot emptier in the evening apparently. And this is Good morning, guys. We are just heading out to this temple that is really close by to the waterfall as well. It's a little higher up, so we're gonna get a really great view of the waterfall, hopefully. So let's go check it out. We came to this place for lunch and we found out that this lady Lan, who runs a restaurant and a hostel, she has private rooms and dorms, really cheap rooms. Like she charges 200,000 Vietnamese dong for a room, which is way cheaper than what we paid for. You can book on booking.com, so I will place a link in the description. Disclaimer, we have not seen the rooms, we have not stayed here, however it is really cheap and it is slightly walking distance to the waterfall, and she's really friendly, she speaks English really well. If there's any kind of eating preferences, I think she'll be able to really help you out as well. And also she provides like free information on all the tours, etc. And she recommends anyone who comes here to come during September, during autumn, which is when it's really beautiful apparently. So